students, today topic is instruction set. I want to tell you before starting in this topic, if my videos is longer, then still watch my videos because in these videos a lot of information in this. My job is to explain, and you should understand the video is long or short. It doesn't matter. If you like my way of teaching, so please subscribe to my channel and like and share. And if you not understand anything, so you can rewind my videos and don't skip my video and don't quit in middle. Otherwise you didn't getting what I want to explain you. When you watch my videos starting to end, so till you understand my videos and what I want to tell you, that time you understand. So before that, this speech is my motto is that like you watch my videos starting to end, don't skip in middle, otherwise you don't get me and it's lost you and same as it's lost me, because I'm getting lot of efforts, so I'm putting lot of efforts that time I'm teach you. I'm not like a teacher, I'm also students, but I'm try to teach you and I'm made in all notes on my hand notes, so you don't like destroy my energy. I'm destroying my all energies making one video, and I'm putting lot of effort that time I make in these videos, because firstly I'm learn in all thing, and after that I'm teach you making notes, make notes for you. So please appreciate my efforts also. So please subscribe my channel also and give support to me. When you subscribe my channel, so I'm feel like, oh, everybody like my videos and everybody appreciate me. That's why I'm making these type of videos, and I need appreciation viewer. So that's why I'm told you again and again, please subscribe my channel. So don't you irritate like I'm speaking all time in the same thing. So let's get started. Our topic is instruction set. A command given to a digital machine to perform a operation on a place of data is an instruction. Okay, it's our first. Second, we can say like a basic set of machine level instruction that a microprocessor is designed to exclusive is it instruction set. Execute is it instruction set. These instruction set do carry out these type of operations. What we call in instruction set in here. So what we getting in 2 and 3 points, we getting like when we are given any digital signal and any digital message in our machine, so our machine perform an operation on a place of a data. Of data is an instruction. Like what we want, like we want addition. So behind in this many algorithmic terms is working and a data transfer is working. And so what's in these type of term, like I give you one example, like we want to something addition in our calculator, in our mobile, in our laptop, in our computer. So behind in this some instruction set is working. So what is this type of instruction set? Like we want to add 2 and 2 and computer gave us output 4. So how behind in this what program going on and what instruction set working in behind this? So we want to learn that, and now we will learn. So data transfer. What is data transfer? Data transfer is transmit the data one point to another point pair, and in this data transfer many effective flags. How many effective? This term instruction set, data transfer instruction set affected the flags. Many type of flags, and in this topic we will discuss in our next video, not now. Today we will discuss on instruction sets. Algorithmic operation. What is algorithmic operation? I told you we want to multiplication, addition and subtraction. So that time algorithmic operation is working, and this instruction set flag are not affected. Like all these instruction set flag are not affected. In this instruction set all flag are affected, like some little sign flag and auxiliary flag and RF flag. So these type of flag and these instruction set is affected. It's algorithmic. We want to algorithm, so that time we are using this. So third is our logical operation. What is logical operation? Like gates, AND gates and OR gates, XOR gates, logically operations we can say. Second is we have a control flow. And our control flow, like our data is continuously flowing, so it's controlling that in this. So input output machine control. What is that input output control? Machine is a related instruction. It's a related instruction. Okay, second branching instruction is affected AC all. So these all are instruction set we have. Our next topic is microprocess register, and in this topic I will discuss with you in a next lecture. So please you subscribe and you watch carefully in this instruction set. What is instruction set? After that, in this video you will have to learn all thing in your tips. Okay, I hope so. Thank you.